Hello stakers globally, my name is Daily Mentor, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can win massively on Sportybet instant virtual. So in this video I'm going to double the funds that you are seeing on your screen. Currently I'm trading for Ghana, and as you can see that is 50 cedis at the top of the screen. So 50 cedis is basically 7k plus in naira. So I'm going to double it as fast as possible. So to see how our strategy works, doubling this kind of funds is quite easy if you have our strategy, and I'm going to show you how to do that the right way inside this video. So all you just need to do, if this is your first time for being to this channel, kindly subscribe, and if you are an existing subscriber, kindly like, comment and share with friends. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into it. So I'm going to click on next round because no game catch my eye inside this particular round. So I'm going to click on next round. That's why we always talk about our instant round locator. You need to locate the best round before you play. So this is the first game that I'm going to select, and you don't need to copy trade without knowing the strategy. You must get the strategy first, then copy trade, and I'm going to explain how everything works for you so that I can guide you to win massively like this every day. So I'm going to be using trial formula in this match. So trial formula, and I'm going to be playing with 1 cedis only. So the more goals there is, the better. So we have 2 goals from Tottenham right now. Tottenham are 2 goals. That is 3 goals in first half. That is a green light. That is a good sign. That is 4 goals in first half as well. If Arsenal score more, it's going to be a banger for us because Arsenal odd is always big. Arsenal odd is always big every single time that you play. Even if you are new to Sportybet, you basically know that Arsenal odd is basically big. As you can see, that is 28 cedis. We are on 73 cedis ASAP in few minutes. So I'm going to continue the trade, but before I continue, let me show you how you can make this possible as well by doubling your funds. This is our secret video channel. As you can see, the teaching is there. I make the video in a way that you can understand every single team, plus teams that can produce goals and all you just need to do is just message the number in the description, and we can talk about how you will join the channel. You need to use money to make more money. You need to purchase our secret video in order to join the VIP for further updates. If any update drop in the future, you guys, I'm going to update you guys, and I'm going to update the channel. So it's like getting a lifetime update from us for just one-time payment. So that is how it is. Now inside this round, I'm going to look for another teams to play. So we are basically using trial. Do not forget that, because we have trial formula, edge formula and period formula. So period formula has been compromised inside the instant round locator, because we use the instant round locator to locate the best round, which is basically the work of the period formula. So we use the period formula as the root of the instant round locator. So the first game has been selected, which is over 3/4 over 5.5, and I'm going to select the second game as well. And you must look well before you select. Just because you see one of the targeted team doesn't mean you will play that round. You must sign more than one targeted teams in order to make profit on that specific round, because we are using trial formula inside this round, and we need more teams. The more teams that produce the goals, the better, and the higher the goals, the more winning we will get. And don't forget the purpose of this particular video. I want to take this 50 cedis to 100 cedis ASAP, and I'm going to do it in few minutes as well. So now this is Everton, Newcastle, and the 3 teams that I need to select are complete. So let's see how it goes. All right, we already have 1 goal from Aston Villa. That is 2 goals from Aston Villa, Liverpool. We need 1 more goal in first half. That's 3 goals in first half. That's a green light. That is 4 goals in first half. The other teams are playing 2 goals in first half. That is 3 goals from Everton. We need more goals. Liverpool already delivered everything that we need. So all of the hope rests on Newcastle right now. The more goals that Newcastle produce, the better. We need Newcastle to produce more goals. We need Newcastle to produce more goals. Boom, guys. That's the 6 goals from Newcastle, and Liverpool produced all of the goals for us. As you can see, it is easy. That is 95 cedis ASAP. If I can double the funds, that means that I get another 7k instantly. Most of people are working their ass off inside the rain, inside the sun, trying to make more than trying to make, let's just say 5k, because if you are doing labor work, basically you are earning less than 5k per day. So most of people are working their ass off trying to drop the funds, and you get that in few minutes. That is how powerful our strategy is. You just need to purchase our Instagram locator or join our VIP channel, which contains our secret video, and you are good to go. I've already shown you how it looks like. All you just need to do is just take your time, sit down, analyze, learn. You will message me if there is any part you do not understand, and I will guide you through it. That is my work, and that is how you guys are going to win massively. So one more trade and we are good to go. We just need to win. Even if it is low in this round, we just need to win and we can just log out. That is what we want in this round. So Arsenal Chelsea for the first selection. And don't forget, do not copy trade without having the strategy. If you have the strategy, you can go ahead and copy trade, because you will understand what I mean when I'm talking about this video. But if you don't understand, you can message me. That is if you have the strategy. If you don't have the strategy, if you message me, you need to get the strategy before you get started and understand how everything works. So Man U Newcastle is the second team that I select in this round, and as you can see, I did not select too much teams, 3 or 4 teams, and we are good to go. There's no need to be greedy when you are selecting teams. 3 teams is enough for this particular option. So if you have our strategy, you understand what I mean basically. So the last team that I'm going to select here is BOU Aston Villa. So that is 9 CDs for single, and I'm going to single it like that. If all of them produce the goals, we are going to have a winning of over 100 CDs. But if 1 or 2 produce, we are going to have much gain as well. So that is 1 goal from Arsenal. That is 2 goals from Arsenal. We need BOU to score as well. BOU 2 goals. We need more goals from them. So BOU continues scoring while Arsenal pause for a while. So we need BOU to produce more goals, at least 6 goals. That will be better. So Arsenal 3 goals, BOU 4 goals. We need more goals. We need more goals. BOU 5 goals. That is how it is. We have our 100 CDs. That is how to earn in a simple way. Easy peasy. All you just need to do is just go to the description, message the number you see there, then we talk about how to use our strategy. You can join my Telegram group inside the description and WhatsApp group inside the description as well. See you guys in the next video.